Here is the Nissan Versa. Now there are door sensors on each of the four doors. I'm just going to show you on the right side door. Let's go ahead and open the front door, and right over there is the sensor. We have to take off that one bolt to get the sensor out. For that you will need a 7mm socket ratchet combination. Again 7mm. Let's go ahead and loosen that bolt and take it out completely. And once you get it out, keep it somewhere safe, and at this point the sensor just comes right out. What we have to do now is press down right over there and get the electrical connector off of the sensor. Go ahead, get the new replacement sensor and click the electrical connector back onto it. It only goes on in one way. Click it, and now let's put this sensor back into the body. Now it's important that you do not lose that bolt, because that one little bolt is what completes the electrical connection. Without that bolt, not only will the sensor not be held in place, but it also will not work. So let's get with the bolt back in and tighten it down. This is good. Moving on to the rear door, exact same process, no differences whatsoever, same 7mm socket ratchet combination, except in this case the electrical wire that's there is a little bit shorter. So when you get it out and get the sensor off of the electrical connector, make sure you do not let go of the wire, because if you do, it's going to go back into the body and that's a lot more work. So just keep on holding on to it while you go ahead and get the new sensor and click it back onto the connector. Put it back in the body, and again same process, do not lose the bolt, put it back in and tighten it down, and that's good. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.